Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. At GFE Solutions, we're always at the forefront of technological advancements. And today, we dive into the realm of quantum computing. Ever wondered what's beyond the limits of traditional computers? Quantum computing uses quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, unlike the binary zeros and ones of regular computers. This capability promises computing power exponentially greater than anything seen before. Imagine solving problems in seconds that would take current computers millennia. Quantum computing isn't just faster. It's a game changer for fields like medicine, finance, and engineering, revolutionizing everything from drug discovery to climate modeling. From creating unhackable encryption to predicting market trends with unmatched accuracy, quantum computing is transforming industries now. At GFE Solutions, we're at the forefront, exploring its applications to elevate engineering solutions and drive innovation forward. Curious about what's next in technology? Quantum computing isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolution. Explore with us as we harness its power to shape a smarter, more efficient tomorrow.